Best YouTube marketing training, how to use video for massive success in any business. Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here from joebarclay.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of Northern New York. And in this short video, I want to share the very best YouTube marketing training I have found. It is the quick and easy way to learn exactly how to use video marketing for massive success in any business. No doubt about it, YouTube is powerful. I feel there is no better way to brand and promote you and generate top quality leads for free. Recently, I posted a video on just that, using YouTube for attraction marketing. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post new videos every week and I want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you'll support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. I first started marketing on YouTube years ago, and to be honest, only had moderate success as most of my videos did not get a lot of views. The videos I made were a nice addition to content on my blog or as part of an email I sent to my list, but they really didn't bring me big success as a marketing tool. Mainly because I never learned the secrets to effective YouTube marketing. And that's a shame because YouTube marketing is really simple once you get the right training. And if you have avoided YouTube marketing because you're a little camera shy, that's okay. I was that way not too long ago too. In an upcoming video, I will share 2 solutions that worked for me, so be sure to subscribe now so you don't miss them. Recently, I started a new affiliate marketing business that has become my #1 recommended income stream. It's the Home Business Academy, and it's far more than just an affiliate marketing plan paying out 80% commissions with residual income too. It's an online community of marketers from first-time beginners to seasoned veterans. It provides excellent tools, training, and coaching to put you on the fast track to online success no matter what business you are in. One of the Home Business Academy's 5 core products is the Funnel Builder. It allows you to quickly and easily create professional-looking sales funnels and marketing pages for any business. Lead capture pages, thank you pages, sales pages, membership sites, and more. And it includes the HBA Funnel Builder Academy, which is step-by-step training. Best of all, it costs only a fraction of competing products, and I find it easier to use too. You can join the Home Business Academy for only $25, and that includes the Funnel Builder, $25. We spent more than that on lunch yesterday. But my favorite Home Business Academy product is HBA Premium, which is also called the Traffic and Conversions Academy, and it's detailed training on just that. It teaches business owners everything they need to know about creating more traffic, generating top quality leads online, and converting more sales. It comes with live daily coaching masterminds, so you can access up-to-the-minute tips and personalized coaching from industry leaders. And the Traffic and Conversions Academy is also where I found the very best YouTube marketing training. Let's jump over to my computer and I'll let you take a look inside my Home Business Academy members area so you can look over my shoulder and see everything. And stick with me because I'm going to show you how to access the YouTube marketing training for free. Okay, here we are in the HBA members area of my website. Let's start by going to HBA Premium. Again, it's the Traffic and Conversions Academy. And I was blown away when I first saw this, and they keep adding more good stuff to it. Let's go to Get Traffic for Free. That's what you're here for. Look at all the topics they have just on generating free traffic, again, for any business. The 2 training topics I want to share with you today are YouTube ranking, which is the YouTube marketing training, and short-form video lead generation. Short-form video is really hot right now. Let's start with YouTube ranking. Check this out. There are 15 videos on every topic you need for massive success on YouTube, plus a bonus hack too. Man, I wish I had access to this years ago. It's everything about YouTube marketing, from setting up an effective YouTube channel to making quality videos, getting your videos found on the search engines, and generating free leads and sales. 15 videos. It took me hours to go through this. It's good stuff. Now let's check out the short form video training. Check this out. There are hours of training in these 6 videos also. Let me scroll through here so you can take a peek at them. And again, short form video, it is really hot right now. Something else I want to share with you, this PDF of content ideas, calls to action, and hooks is something I refer to almost every day. It's powerful stuff. I can't believe they don't sell this by itself. This short form video may be the simplest way yet to benefit from video marketing, and this training applies to TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels, in addition to YouTube Shorts. Again, they teach you how to repurpose one video for all of them. These 2 libraries of YouTube marketing training are an absolute goldmine, and they're just part of what you get with an HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy upgrade. The premium is a $125 upgrade, and it's a bargain at that, but I want to show you how to get access to it for free when you join HBA for only $25. Use the link below in the description to join HBA, and yes, I will mentor you personally. I'll be here to help you every step of the way. When you get to this page here, you can learn everything you want about HBA. There's a ton of information here. This video is everyday people sharing their successes. I love it. The Home Business Academy is ideal for both online beginners as well as seasoned veterans. When you're ready to get started, click just below the video where it says, yes, I want the $25 all-in-one business. Then as you're completing your application, when you get to this point down here at the bottom, check the box that says, yes, I want free access. This will get you free access to the Traffic and Conversions Academy, including the YouTube training, free access for 2 full weeks. I find that most new members check the box and most keep it after the trial period. And if you're looking at the affiliate opportunity, remember HBA pays out 80% commissions. That means just 2 sales can put you in profit, and it pays out residually month after month too. You get all of this and pay just $25 today. Okay, I'm back. Joining the Home Business Academy may be the best $25 you ever spend. The training is the best I've found. The funnel builder is so simple to use, and again, it's a fraction of the cost of competing products. HBA will help you build any business, online or traditional brick and mortar, faster and more profitable. And as far as the opportunity, the Home Business Academy can be super lucrative. Whereas most affiliate deals pay out small percentage one-time commissions, HBA pays out 80% commissions and has recurring income too. I hope this short video helps you master video marketing. YouTube is such a powerful tool. I encourage you to take full advantage of it. Feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarclay.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barclay. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.